Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we empower entrepreneurs and business owners to achieve their goals. Today, we have an exciting and comprehensive topic that is crucial for anyone starting or growing a business: how to create an effective business plan. A well-crafted business plan sets the foundation for success, and will guide you through the essential steps to create one. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Step 1. Executive Summary. This section provides a concise overview of your entire business plan. It should capture the attention of investors and stakeholders, highlighting your business idea, target market, competitive advantage, and financial projections. Keep it clear, compelling, and no longer than a page. Include a brief introduction to your business, a summary of your mission and vision, a description of your target market, and a snapshot of your financial forecasts. Step 2. Company Description. Here, you'll delve into the details of your business. Explain the industry you're in, the problem you solve, and your unique value proposition. Talk about your target market, customer demographics, and any market trends that support your business idea. Show what sets your business apart from competitors. Include information about your company's legal structure, history, and mission statement. Describe your core values and long-term objectives. Step 3. Market Analysis. Thorough market research is essential. Understand your industry, target market, and competitors. Identify your customers' needs, preferences, and buying behavior. Evaluate the market size, growth potential, and emerging trends. This analysis helps you position your business and develop effective marketing strategies. Conduct primary and secondary research, analyze market reports and data, and survey potential customers. Identify your target audience, their demographics, psychographics, and pain points. Step 4. Organization and Management. In this section, introduce your team and their roles. Highlight their skills and expertise that make them qualified to execute the business plan. Investors want to see a capable and well-rounded management team that can drive success. Outline the organizational structure and responsibilities. Provide an overview of the key personnel, their backgrounds, and their specific roles within the organization. Highlight any advisors, mentors, or industry experts who support your business. Step 5. Product or service line. Describe your offerings, emphasizing their features, benefits, and any unique selling points. Discuss your product development timeline and any future enhancements or expansions. Show how your offerings address the needs of your target market and provide a competitive edge. Explain the core features and functionalities of your product or service. Discuss any proprietary technology, patents, or intellectual property that differentiates you from competitors. Highlight any competitive advantages, such as cost leadership, product differentiation, or market niche. Step 6. Sales and Marketing Strategy. Outline how you'll reach your target audience effectively. Define your pricing strategy, distribution channels, and promotional tactics. Provide a comprehensive marketing plan that integrates online and offline strategies. Showcase how you'll create awareness and generate sales. Describe your pricing structure, including any discounts or promotional offers. Explain your distribution strategy, such as direct sales, online platforms, retail partnerships, or reseller networks. Present your marketing channels, such as social media, content marketing, search engine optimization, and advertising. Highlight your unique selling propositions and your value proposition in your marketing messaging. Step 7. Financial Projections. Develop a detailed forecast for your business, including income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Estimate revenue projections, expenses, and profitability over the next 3 to 5 years. Consider various scenarios and factors that may impact your financials. Start with your revenue projections based on market research and historical data. Outline your fixed and variable expenses, including overhead costs, salaries, marketing expenses, and production costs. Provide a break-even analysis and demonstrate the profitability and return on investment of your business. Prepare financial ratios and key financial indicators to assess the financial health of your business. Step 8. Funding Request. If you're seeking funding, clearly state the amount you require and how it will be used. Provide a breakdown of your funding needs, whether it's for working capital, equipment, or marketing expenses. Explain how the investment will contribute to your business's growth and success. Discuss your current funding sources, such as personal savings, loans, or investors. Specify the funding amount you need and describe how the funds will be allocated across various aspects of your business. Present your financial projections and return on investment potential to attract potential investors. Step 9. Implementation Plan. Lay out a step-by-step action plan for executing your business strategies. Set realistic milestones, assign responsibilities, and break your plan into short-term and long-term goals. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, to track progress and stay on track. Provide a detailed timeline that shows the sequence of activities and deadlines. Outline the specific actions required to achieve your objectives. Establish measurable targets and milestones. Identify the resources needed, such as human resources, technology, equipment, and partnerships. Assign responsibilities and create an accountability framework. Step 10. Risk Assessment and Mitigation. Identify potential risks and challenges that could impact your business. Evaluate market risks, operational risks, financial risks, and legal or regulatory risks. Develop contingency plans to mitigate these risks and demonstrate your adaptability. Address challenges like competition, regulations, economic downturns, or technological disruptions. Conduct a SWOT analysis to identify your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Develop risk mitigation strategies for each identified risk. Establish monitoring and control mechanisms to stay vigilant and proactive. Step 11. Monitoring and Evaluation. Once you've implemented your business plan, it's crucial to continuously monitor and evaluate your progress. Regularly review your performance against the defined objectives and milestones. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, to track the success of your marketing efforts, financial performance, and overall business growth. Implement a system to collect and analyze relevant data, such as customer feedback, sales data, and financial reports. Regularly assess the effectiveness of your strategies and make adjustments as needed. This step ensures that you stay agile, adapt to market changes, and make informed decisions to drive your business forward. Creating an effective business plan takes time and effort, but it's worth it. A well-crafted plan will guide your business's growth and attract investors. Remember to regularly review and update your plan as your business evolves. A business plan is a living document that should be adapted as circumstances change. Now that you know the key steps, get started on creating your own effective business plan and pave the way to success. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below. We're here to support you on your entrepreneurial journey. Until next time, keep hustling and turning your dreams into reality.